Alright, today we're picking a challenge lock, Todothy number 2. That's our tape dot key. Put that over there. It is in an ABIS 83 housing with a recycled old cut shackle one. So I have picked this once off camera. So let's see if we can get it again on camera. Have not seen what the pins in this thing look like. So looking forward to finding out. I know I picked at it for a while with my Deforest Diamond and didn't really get anywhere, so I switched to using these SS Devs instead, or SS Dev and Sparrow's Hook. Yeah. And I definitely know the strong core spring on this really does dampen a lot of feedback, or just this lock has terrible feedback, one of the two, which does make it rather good for a challenge lock. Bit of core rotation there after hitting that back pin. See if we can find anything else at the front. Seemed from the last time I picked it there was a lot of sort of action at the front rather than the back. Nope. Just tapped something there. Bit of a deeper false set. And another little nudge and a bit deeper. Nudge and a bit deeper. Yeah. Not really feeling much there. I'm going to switch to this shorter hook and see if we can. No. Just trying to pulse and see if we've just overset something, but it doesn't seem to want it. Nope, just making sure the shackle's not stuck or something. Keep poking around. Trying to be gentle on the tension. Good. Did something there. Not sure it was a good something. So it's so stiff I can even let off all the tension, but I wonder if we're just not feeling the counter rotation because of the core stiffness. Or if I've just overset something completely. Which is possible. Just gonna try and reset some things. Maybe we out of one. A few clicks out of one. Yep, that's good counter rotation off the back there. There it is. So that took a little while, quite a while. Put up quite a reasonable amount of fight, so yeah, it's very sticky. Yeah, let's take that out so we can see where picked there. Shackles popped. Let's not use the tension tool. Don't use a pick to do that. Jeez, slide that back up. Screw down the shackle. Slide our pinning tray in. Should be able to. Oh, stiff. There we go. Use the t-shirt for the assist. Alright. Screw. Core should pop out. Yes, it does. Good. So padlock body. That's not exciting. Yeah. So we're going to need some screws off the back. Take those off. Love it when a lock has screws and not C-clips. much nicer. Alright, the second screw. There we go. Alright, so we'll get our, makes a noise while we slide that out, get a shim at the ready, undo this key. There's our key bedding, so very sloped down and hook at the back, so probably we were oversetting this one. Probably that's why it took a while. That'd be my guess anyway. We'll see. So we get it open. Alright, so we'll turn that way. That shim in there. Probably doesn't really need a shim, but just never hurts. Alright. See what we got. Yeah, come back to that. So we only have 5 pins populated. Room for a 6. A little bit of drill protection holes. So they're why they're a good idea for using a shim in case things get stuck in that. So what's that? Pin number 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 at the end there. Alright, where are my tweezers? Let's just arrange those slightly neater. Alright, so all standard key pins. No particular overset traps there. Yep. Shimmer's stuck, as sometimes happens when they're a bit tight. See if we can go and get that out without ruining it too much. There we go. Shim out. Let's see what we've got in the way of drivers. So driver 1 is a bit of a serrated T-pin. Would be probably what we got stuck on last there. And this brings 1 at a time because it's challenge lock. 2, what's this? That came in that way, like a serrated spoolie type deal. 3, it's like a little mini gin bottle. 5, so 4, losing track of counting, completely standard, which makes sense because that's trying to overset, so standard's a good thing to put on top of a pin like that. And then this was in, oops, that way. So it's like a barrel spool. And then nothing in chamber 6. Okay, so no core mods there, or bubble mods rather. That's just normal, and no core modifications here. Just standard. And here's a close up of our pins. So yeah, we've got this nice T-pin with a little tiny lip on it, which does actually get stuck on that tiny edge bit. It's nice sort of multi-stepped spool serrated thing, deep chin bottle spool, standard, and like a barrel pin. So there we go. That is Todothy number 2. Picked and got it.